It's Trevor Carr here. I hope you're very, very well and welcome to my Breakout Buyer Traffic review. This product is brought to you by my good friends Fergal Downes, Aidan Corkery and Noel Cunningham. And I think I've met all of these guys actually. I mean, I've certainly met Fergal and Aidan, but have I met Noel? I think so, but I'm not sure. Three Irish guys, lovely guys. Fergal was actually my mentor. You've probably heard me talk about that before. And when they put stuff together, actually, they really do put together some really effective strategies for not only building lists, but getting affiliate commissions on autopilot. So I thought I'd take a look at Breakout, see what's going on there. And I've got to tell you, I am absolutely astonished by what's going on here because they're using ManyChat. I use ManyChat, as you probably know. You may have seen me doing broadcast messages on Facebook. It pops up. It looks like it's from me, but it's not really. It's from my bot. And you interact with it and I get sales, etc. So a lot of people would love to be able to do that, but they think it's complicated. But let me tell you, when you see what's inside this course, they make this the easiest thing that you can imagine. In fact, the actual setting up of the ManyChat videos that Fergal has recorded are just a couple of minutes long. I watched them on double speed. And so like within a few minutes, you could have the bones of this all sorted. Plus, there's a full done for you section in here. Plus, there is guaranteed approval to promote their products. So I'm going to show you inside the members area. I'm going to show you the sales page and the OTOs and all that kind of stuff very quickly. But I'll also put together a really big bonus bundle that I'm going to show you right now in case you're bonus hunting. So let's go and take a look at that. So for all you bonus hunters out there, number one, my latest additional bonus training is my secret strategy for list bot growth using ManyChat. This is recorded by me. It's going to show you what I do to grow my bots. Number two is my Breakout ManyChat training. It's ManyChat training by me for you to make this even easier. Number three is my squeeze page training course, teaching you how to build squeeze pages. Number four is my squeeze page creator. This is a plugin that you're going to get, software to enable you to create your own squeeze pages in a flash, and they look fantastic. Number five is my free traffic method training. Number six is my super fast unique content for traffic. Number seven is my affiliate commissions without a website. Number eight is my top email strategies. Number nine is the fast and easy way to create your own logos for free so you can brand anything and make more money. Number 10 is my exclusive video training on becoming a successful affiliate on Warrior Plus. Number 11 is my exclusive fast and free traffic video training. Number 12 is Aidan's Easy Pie. Number 13 is how to increase your email clicks. Number 14 is ManyChat training. Number 15 is advanced strategies for list building. Number 16 is Fergal's traffic training. And number 17 is a free ManyChat course. Whew. So as you can see, there is quite a bundle there. So if you're bonus hunting, don't go anywhere else. Just get it from me. They are ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus as soon as you buy this through me. So what is Breakout? Let's go and take a look at the sales page. And as you know, I don't spend a lot of time on the sales page, but one thing that got me was this. How Fergal got 1,649 hot leads for free, stuffed his pocket with $872 in just 7 days. Now, think about that for a second. 1,649 hot leads. So these are leads that he got that bought, right? And we know that they bought because they brought in $872 in a week. Now, that for me is, when I've gone through the training and seen how he's done it, I think that is fantastic because there's no reason why you can't do what he's done, because you're getting done for you ManyChat funnels in here and guaranteed approval to promote products that will convert very, very well. And the whole thing has been set up for success. So what would it be like to have 1,649 fresh hot leads that you can market to and be $872 in front on top of that? I think that for me is one of the best headlines I've seen in a long, long time. So brand new method. We've never released anything like this. Get instant traffic and make money today. No prior skills or experience needed. We show you everything. Discover how to build your buyers list on autopilot for free, make money up front and create an ongoing passive income, unlimited traffic, scale up as big as you want. So yeah, the 1,649 leads and the money that they made, for me, that was the thing that got my attention. It's probably going to get your attention as well. Can you do this? Yes, actually you can. Does this work? Yes, absolutely it does. From what I've gone through and gone through the training, I can actually say to you honestly that I can see exactly how he's been able to do this. And I think that if you follow the training and do exactly what is taught in the training, there is no reason why you can't get good results yourself. Now, I can't say you can get the same results. Obviously, I'm not legally, I can't say that. And it's all down to you and you taking action. But I do think that you can get leads and get money using this system. I really do. So that's it. That's all I'm going to say on that. The rest of the sales page, you know, there's the three guys there. So Aidan, Fergal, and Noel. And you know, I don't spend a lot of time on a sales page, as you know. I want you to go through and take a look at that yourself. But you'll see that there's plenty of content on there, plenty of proof, plenty of bonuses, etc., etc. So really nice looking sales page actually. And you're going to be able to pick this up for peanuts because it's just launched, and while it's on launch, it's going to be on a discounted low price. So going over to the sales area, these are the videos. So we've got the overview here, overview video, and that is, if I open it up in YouTube, we can see that it's just 4 minutes long, okay? We come through to the create your Facebook page and open up that on YouTube, and that's 3 minutes 58 long, all right? So these are not long videos. The setting up ManyChat video, 1 minute 58. You see what I mean? It's crazy. Then getting approved by Facebook, which is actually quite interesting. This is a method that Fergal was using. It's just 5 minutes long there. And this is going to teach you how you get approved by Facebook, because messenger bots go through Facebook. So if you were to just go and try and do this on your own, you would likely get banned. And this is the right way to do it. So we've got templates, and we go through to templates. There's quite a lot of information here, but more importantly, you've got guaranteed approval for a couple of offers. One of them is Fergal's coaching offer, which is a $97 offer, and you get 50% commission. So you'll earn $48.50 for every one of those that you sell. The other one is 24-hour pro, and there's a whole range of products in there. Quite a big funnel there, as you can see, with upsells and downsells. So that's going to convert really, really well as well. Looks like there's 100% commissions on quite a few of those. And also, look at this. This is, I've never seen this before. Affiliate promotion template. This links with your ManyChat account. Now you can get a free ManyChat account with this. The way they've done all of this is that you can use free ManyChat, you can use free traffic. There is paid traffic training in there as well, which I think is really, really good, and you should definitely consider doing what they're teaching you in here. But this is a done for you that you plug into your own ManyChat. Very, very clever. Didn't even know you could do this, and I've been using ManyChat for a while now. So this means that you don't have to worry about the growth tool sequences and the flows and everything else. You just literally take this, plug it into your ManyChat, and you are good to go. So that is not only a massive time saver, they've actually shown you what they did, and they're giving you what they did, and then you just make a couple of edits, put your own affiliate links in, and you're away. You know, this is clever stuff, and anyone can do this. It's not complicated. I've shown you how quick, how short those videos were. So what else we got? ManyChat growth tools, and follow-up sequence. Oh, done for you funnel. Done for you funnel. You know, lots of content there. And if I go through, we just see that again, 4 minutes long for that video. So you can get through this course really, really quickly, which is what I liked. I did get through it very quickly myself. There's also some information on doing broadcasts, and then some case studies at the end. All right. So yeah, you know, this is for me. I was pleasantly surprised when I went in and saw what they were doing. I was actually quite taken aback by the done for you aspect, because you know, ManyChat itself, for a lot of people, can seem to be something a bit daunting, that you're like, oh yeah, I know it's good, but I have no clue how to get into it. You've seen the setup. It's just a couple of minutes, like 1 minute 50 or something. It's not as complicated as you think. It really isn't. And it's very powerful. and I use it a lot. The good thing about this is as well is that they're showing you how to keep safe with ManyChat so that you don't get banned. I realise, having gone through this, that I've been doing a few things wrong myself. So really good for me to learn a lot out of this. So this is just a quick short review. I'm going to show the OTOs now, and then I'm going to suggest that you just go off and get it before the price goes up, because I'm a little bit late coming to this one, but I didn't want you to miss out on it, because having gone through all the training here, I can see that this really would be useful for you. Because don't forget, you can use this for any affiliate offer that you want to promote. So if you've bought license rights in the past, perfect, absolutely perfect for this. In fact, they encourage you to buy license rights and they show you how to use this. This is about getting traffic, targeted traffic, through to your offers for you to make commissions and build a list at the same time without an autoresponder, using free ManyChat. All right, so that's pretty impressive. Let's take a look at the OTOs now for you. Right, so this is OTO 1. This is $37. And there's actually a quote here that I use this concept a lot. I've been to quite a few Tony Robbins conferences, and I've walked on fire with Tony Robbins. I've actually met Tony Robbins in person. He's patted me on the shoulder as I went and walked over hot coals barefoot. And he says, if you want to be successful, find someone who's achieved the results you want, copy what they do, and you'll achieve the same results. And this is, I recommend this all the time. You know, you go and find someone that's achieving the results that you want to achieve, and you do what they've done. Simple as that, right? So this is, let me see, the Infinity Done For You bundle. It's guaranteed approval to promote high conversion affiliate offers, 10x your results with done for you coupon codes to drive hungry buyers, done for you eye grabbing voucher images, done for you high engagement Facebook posts for each approved offer, done for you ManyChat follow up sequences to increase your conversions, done for you lead magnets and 100% resale rights to drive new buyers leads into your business. So that's OTO 1 at $37, done for you. I actually think that looks pretty good. Let's take a look at OTO 2. Right, so copy and paste your way to $850 plus by getting these 6 buyer extractor case studies. $17, that's actually a no-brainer, because case study is going to show you exactly what they did on each of one of these. Case study number 1, 163 clicks and $184 from one silly post. Case study number 2, this was $174 with just 6 minutes of setup. Case study number 3, $214 in 24 hours. Case study number 4 was $111 using the untapped traffic source. Case study number 5, looping video case study, $416 in a week. Case study number 6 is the Facebook group case study. So that's it, 6 case studies for $17. So that's pretty good, I gotta say. Now, obviously, there are sales videos on these that you can watch as you go through the funnel that give you more information about exactly what they're offering. This is save time and start making money today with our done for you buyer bot funnel upgrade. So one-time offer, reason struggle, done for you buyer bots. Done for you buyer bot is a completely automated system that will quickly turn your traffic and leads into buyers that put money in your pocket. And the price for this one, because I'm seeing this for the first time, guys, just with you here, it's $37. So again, that's another nice upgrade. These are not expensive upgrades, and I think having seen the front end, I can see the power of these upgrades and how that's going to help you. So if you've got a bit of cash that you can put into this, then it might be a good idea. And the final one, let me personally show you how I do it. Okay, so this is $97 and almost $70,000 from one affiliate account, over $500,000 from one vendor account. Breakout one-on-one coaching. Right, that's good value for $97. That's crazy. Okay, so that's Fergal's coaching, $97. I can't believe that. I paid a lot more when I got my coaching with him. So yes, of course I'm going to recommend that. He was my mentor, and you know, I've made a lot of progress. So there you have it. Breakout buyer traffic. As I said, I've gone through this. I think that it's short and sweet, which is what I really like, because we haven't got a lot of time to go through tons and tons of training, have we? But implementing is so quick, and with all the done for you aspects as well, it's like it's like a godsend. You know, this is fantastic that you can get leads and you can get commissions as well. So as much as you might be thinking, oh, Trev, not another one. This is definitely a one to slot in. Why? Because this is all about driving traffic to all the offers that you've been driving traffic to already. Any new offers that come up, any new ideas that you've got for affiliate commissions, like different offers that come up. This is about driving traffic to those for you to get paid. It's also about automation. It's about passive income, because the way that this is set up, the way that Fergal teaches this, is really on that basis. And I do admire him for the way he does things, because he's always looking at those angles on how you can automate it and how you can keep it flowing, keep it growing, keep the money coming in, keep the list building. It's and also keep safe. You know, there's a lot of safety in there as far as the different things that he puts into his mini chats that I had no clue about. So very, very good course, 100% recommended by me on this one. And for what it's going to cost you, you know, it's peanuts. It really is. Go and grab it as soon as you can before the price goes up. You've seen my bonus bundle. It's insane. No need to shop around. Just get it through me. They're ready and waiting for you. And I'll see you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.